guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry it's taking me ages to do a video. I'm actually at work today. I just decided to come in with my team, but I wanted to do a quick video and show you basically a new bag that I got for Christmas. It's from my husband. It's gorgeous. Here it is. It is from this South African store called Mr. Price. It's really, really nice. It's kind of like a dusky pink color, and it has these like faux pearls on it as well. Don't know if you can see it that well here. Sorry, I'm doing it with my hands, so just be patient. I'm just going to open it up here. This is how it looks like that. You can see it's like that. And then on the inside, this is how it looks. There's like a chain as well. I have some of my stuff in there that I put. I'm saying this is an unboxing. I've used it once, you guys. Like, don't be mad at me. But it does come with its own chain. I haven't done my nails either, so forgive. But it does come with its own chain. I really, really like it. My country is very sunny, so you can see the lighting here is just kind of all over the place. But this bag is gorgeous. I love how it's so like pale pink. I love these kind of dusty pink colors. I just find them so cute. It works well as a clutch, but I'm going to be using it as my kind of daily bag, even though this is kind of like a 50% unboxing, 50% review. I've just used it once and I thought it was really, really easy to use. I tend to take this handbag and I slide it into like a bigger handbag that I use to put in my laptop and things like that. But yeah, I think it's just so cute. It's from this South African discount store called Mr. Price. I just really like it. I mean, I don't know. It looks a little bit more kind of like a pale brown here, whereas it's really pink in real life. So I think it's perhaps just the lighting of this video. But yeah, it's really, really cute. And obviously those grommets on the side are where the strap, like the detachable strap, is put on. So yeah, I definitely recommend like this bag if you live in South Africa or you know anyone there. This one is really cute. It was a gift from my husband, but I definitely love it. I was actually using this yellow bag before, but that one is kind of looking kind of grommety at the moment. So yeah, it's just like really cute. I love pearls. Like, I don't know why, but pearls are amazing to me, and I'm really obsessed with the pearls on this. The only thing with this is, as much as I love it, I'm just worried about the pearls falling off. So I think it's also going to require like being taken care of in a way that perhaps isn't as soft or gentle. I'm definitely someone who uses bags like properly. I don't treat bags like baby type things. So yeah, that's basically my review of this bag. Love it so far. I'm going to be using it as my daily driver from tomorrow. But yeah, really, really like it, and I think it's adorable, and I love the choice, and I'm glad that he realized I love light pinks, blush, rose, mauve, things like that. I just love these kind of light pink colors. I love them in general, so love it. And yeah, I would love to know what you guys think of this. I love the laser cut as well, the laser cut and etching. It's so cute. What do you guys think? Do you guys like pink bags? Do you like pearls? And yeah, tell me what you think of this video. I'm actually at work. I've just taken a break to shoot this video. So yeah, I'd love to know what you guys think, and yeah, let me know what you think.